Hey, it's Dave We Like. Welcome to my channel. Today we're checking out the Electrify America HomeStation EV charger. Do I have an EV? No. But I wanted to pick up a charger first before I got the car. I thought that potentially made a lot of sense. And it did. Because this whole process of ordering it around Black Friday is when I bought it. And then it took a couple weeks to arrive. Then the next step that they had was the installation, which took about a month or two. So you're definitely going to want to install your EV charger before you get the car, because otherwise you won't be able to use the car. So here's a bunch of paperwork. It's actually pretty colorful, pretty easy to read and understand what's going on, what to expect. Part of the reason why I went with Electrify America is because they are investing heavily in their charging stations. So it's a growing company. Why not get their home station? Doesn't seem like they're going to be abandoning it. Plus, you get to use the same app that you would if you have your home station and you're charging at home or you're charging on the go. It's the same app, so I'll go through that a little bit later. So let's continue on in the box where we have the actual EV charger. So it's all wrapped in plastic. Take that out real fast. It's a little heavy, but not that bad. You will notice that it is connected to two different cables in the box. So one of them is for the power and connecting it there to your wall, and then the other one is for your car. So underneath that, we've got the wall mount as well as some nuts and bolts. What we're looking at right here is the socket for the charger to be plugged on into when not in use. I wanted to just go ahead and throw the home station on the floor to kind of see the length of the cord. This is a Honda CR-V. So you can see that the cord reaches well beyond the car. Now, when I initially bought this house, they said that this house was already wired for an EV charger. Reality is, no, it wasn't. Yes, there are some cords here behind this panel, but the fact is the electrician came on out, saw these cords and said, well, they'll melt. So he had to go ahead and redo the whole thing. So we chose a different location, which was closer to the circuit breaker. And obviously, because it's closer, it's cheaper to do it that way. And secondly, there is an option with this home station. If you do have an outlet, you can just simply plug it on into the outlet, because that outlet itself that it would need to be plugged on into costs, according to him, around $300. It just wasn't going to be worth to install that additional element. So what he did was he hardwired it into the box itself. Now this is the outside of the home, where you can see that it goes straight on into the circuit breaker. When you switch it on, it'll change a bunch of different colors. Again, there's blue, there's green, and red. And so because when it becomes solid green, it means it's ready to charge. You don't even need the app to charge your car, but connecting the app with the home station, and basically hence you'll be connected to the internet and the cloud, you can go ahead and get some extra options with your home station. So let's go through those. Okay, welcome to the Electrify America app. And we can see here, we're talking about the home station. So we're gonna go ahead and click on Add Home Station. And at this point, it's confirming that we're going to set it up. So we'll hit Continue. Next, we wanna look at the side of our home station where there's a barcode. So we're going to scan serial number and it switches on over to camera mode. All right. And then next it's connecting to the charger. Okay. So now we're going to click on Yes, I understand. And again, this is all information in regards to the circuit breaker. If you don't know what to select, definitely make sure you talk to the electrician who installed this. So we're going to select 40 amp because he did insert a 50 amp circuit breaker. It's going to ask us for the Wi-Fi. Then it's going to link the home station to the Wi-Fi. Now the home station has to restart, so just wait for that message at the very top of the screen to go away. All right, so let's check out the settings in which you can switch between auto charge or remote charge. And this allows you to use scheduling if you want it to only charge at certain times of the day. There is a smart home feature as well where you can connect the charger to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. There's a charge history as well, just, telling us how much power we've used. And again, you can change your Wi-Fi. And if we did select the wrong charger amperage, we can still change that right here. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was informative for you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon.